Okay, so hi, we will start the ViciDial Scratch installation on CentOS 7. We are using Asterisk 13 and below are the Asterisk steps for installation. So part 1 we will install the CentOS 7 and part 2 we will install the prerequisites as per the OS update Apache, MySQL, MariaDB, PHP, extra, and we will use a Perl module. In part 3, Asterisk, Dhardi and Libre, and part 4 the ViciDial installation, and the part 5 ViciDial post installation initial setting. So in part 1 OS installation we will start the installation how we can install the ViciDial. So ViciDial is a basic as per the requirement in basic call centers, and if you understand the ViciDial and its architecture you will be able to understand the whole the picture of Asterisk. So first we need a bootable DVD or USB hard drive or pen drive bootable, and we can host this server on virtual machine or something. So we will start at our virtual machine and we are starting to install now. And this is installation started. Now we will choose the language. Now we will choose the hard disk installation media and the type genre of server, and that keyboard will be US English default. And we will check the hard disk drive state, and we will use the installation media source as well. Check. So hard disk we have selected, and now we will on the network port. By defaultly it's turned off, so wherever we start the installation on CentOS on Linux base, any virtual machine or any hardware machine or a hardware server, so we can enable the LAN port from installation part. And now we will assigning the default IP address for the server. Now the IP has been assigned successfully to a machine, and we click on done and we'll start the installation now. And you can set the root password as well. So I'm setting over here by default 123456789. We will assign over here the system host name to this particular VM virtual machine and set the password 123456789. Once the installation has been done, then we can try for next part. So let's complete the installation in lecture 1 today, and after that we'll start the next session. And the installation has been done and the server has been rebooted now, and now this asking for ViciDial login. So we are using a framework of ViciDial instead of direct Asterisk installation. Now we will take a putty access and check the installation has been properly made or on the server or not. So CentOS has been installed successfully, and let's connect on part